In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do URL redirects in Wix. Redirects are a great way to ensure that your visitors reach the right content on your site, even if certain pages have moved. So let's dive right into the steps to set up a URL redirect on your Wix site. Firstly, navigate to the homepage of your Wix account. You'll want to make sure you're logged in and have the correct site selected that you want to work on. This is your starting point for accessing all the important tools Wix offers for your site management. Once you're there, it's time to move on to our next step. In the search bar, type redirect. This is a quick way to find the specific tool we need without having to sift through other options. By typing redirect, you're enabling the search function to pinpoint exactly where the URL redirect manager is located. This makes the process more efficient and saves you time. Once you've typed redirect, click on the URL redirect manager. This tool is crucial for managing redirects on your site. The URL redirect manager is where you can create, edit, or remove redirects as needed, and it's essential for maintaining your site's SEO health and visitor experience. This manager will ensure that your old URLs properly lead visitors to the intended new locations on your site. Next, click on New Redirect. This is where the action really happens as you start creating a specific redirect. The New Redirect option allows you to begin the process of linking an old URL to a new one, ensuring anyone trying to access a now-defunct page is seamlessly guided to the correct area of your site. After selecting New Redirect, you'll need to type in the old URL. This is the URL of the page that you no longer want to direct visitors to. You will enter this into the designated field. Clear communication of this redirect ensures there are no dead ends or errors for users, which strengthens their interactions with your site. Following that, type in the new URL. This is crucial because it's where you want to direct visitors whenever they try to access the old URL. Make sure this is the precise and correct current URL, as it serves as the endpoint of the redirect path. It's the new destination within your site where you'd prefer your visitors to go. Finally, click on Save. This confirms your redirect setup, ensuring your instructions are implemented. Double-check that everything is correct before clicking Save to monitor for inaccuracies that might disrupt the user journey. And there you have it. With these steps, you've set up a URL redirect in Wix, ensuring users have a smooth experience while navigating your site. Keep these skills handy as your site evolves and content changes, and you'll maintain a seamless browsing experience for all your visitors.